Hey everybody, Bo with Exodus Jeeps, taking a break from the grind. We're going to do a little bit talking about phase 1 of what we've done so far in our Gladiator build, and at the end I'll mention some stuff that we're going to do in phase 2. So right now you can see that we've done a Line X bed liner. We chose this over the factory option just because we know it, we like it, it's proven, and it looks great. So let's talk about the rear suspension a little bit. Right now we're running an Evo Manufacturing 6.5 inch coil spring lift with Rancho 7000 shocks. This is something that we did in the beginning stages because the coilovers aren't ready yet. We'll talk about that in a minute. But it does ride super great and comfortable, and if you're thinking about running 40-inch tires, it's a must. And I think you're really going to be impressed with the ride quality. Next is our wheel and tire package. We chose to go with Hutchinson Rock Monster Beadlocks. There's something that we love, the look of them. They're very durable, proven wheel, and it's a double beadlock design, so you're not going to lose either one of your beads on the trail. We wrapped them with some 40-inch Nitto trail grapplers. Man, we were so stoked when these showed up on the market lately. We were able to snag a set, and we immediately set them aside for our build. Let's move to the front. Up front, we're running an Evo Manufacturing bolt-on coilover kit that was originally designed for the Jeep JL. With the simple spring rate change, we were able to make it work on the Wrangler or the Gladiator, get it up in the air to match the rear spring lift. And since we had to make some spring rate changes, we were able to powder coat them red to match the rest of the accents on the truck. Really happy with that, and we love the way it turned out. I think you will too. On the front, Evo Manufacturing quarter-pounder bumper. Pretty much the same design that we've had on the JKs for the last 8 or 9 years. It finishes out the front of the truck really well. We love the way it looks. Sitting inside of it, the Warren ZEON 10S winch and Factor 55 flat link hook. And finally, to make it easier to get in and out of this truck, our friends at Rockslide Engineering came up with these great power slide steps that, when you open the door, are going to allow you to get in and out a lot easier. There's also a light kit on it, which obviously isn't going to show up really well right now, but at night it's super bright. It's going to make it a lot easier to get in and out of this thing. Like I said, phase 2 down the road, we're going to do the axle swap. We're going to put some 1-tons underneath it. We're going to do the coilovers in the rear, maybe lower it down about 3/4 of an inch, just to make it look give it a little bit better stance, and what we in our opinion will look better, and probably do some highline fenders to compensate for that lowering it and give us enough clearance to get out there and rock crawl with it. Stay tuned.